Hey friends, it's finally here, the Instagram feature that we've all been asking for. We can now add a custom background image when sharing reels to our Instagram stories. This whole channel has been built off of 2 videos that I made showing you a kind of workaround way to achieve this in Instagram, but finally they've added it as a feature to the app. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to share a reel to your stories like you normally would. I have this reel pre-made here, so I'm going to share this to my stories. Click on the share icon, then click on add to story. Next, you want to tap on this smiley face icon up here between the text and the music icons. And that's going to open up all these options to tag location, add mentions, all that good stuff. Now pay attention to this next part because I know a lot of people are going to make this mistake. What we want to do is click on the camera roll icon to add our own picture to the background. That is not the add yours button right here. Skip that. You want to scroll on past it. Then you're going to see this camera roll icon or picture icon. It's like a mountain with a sun above it. You're going to click on that, and that's going to open up the images that you have saved on your phone or your iPad already. So for this example, I'm just going to choose one of these images here, and then I'm going to stretch it out to fill the screen. Next, this is where the magic happens. You're just going to click and hold on this image, and it's going to bring up 2 options. On the right-hand side, you're going to see a lock feature. That would mean that we're going to lock this image in place, but we don't want to use that. On the left-hand side, we have this layers icon, and this is the feature that they added. So if I slide my finger down on the screen, it's going to reveal the layer that I have underneath this image, which is our reel. So I'm going to slide down, and our reel just pops forward, and just like that, we've added our custom background image. So there you have it. After years of waiting, this feature is finally here to make our lives easier. It's also worth noting that at the time of making this video, this feature is only available for iPhone. So if you are an Android user, go check out my video from last year where I show you how to do kind of a workaround way. It'll get the job done. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you would like to see more tutorials like this in the future. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.